Where is KVYO going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on Kvyo stock? I'm going to cover technical analysis and price predictions in the next 1 minute, so make sure to keep watching till the end. Let's get into the sauce. KVYO is actually we only have one daily candle, which is absolutely crazy to consider that we could actually use technicals to make a prediction here. But it's all the same. All the time frames are the same. You might be like looking at me just being like, this guy is crazy, but it's all the same thing. What's my opinion right now on KVYO? Kept broken the structure down here, kept breaking the structure down. Therefore, I'm anticipating these $30 lows to continue to get cleared, and this is the way that I'm expecting it to go, right? Maybe some more upside moves, but the consideration is for it to continue and turn around to deliver bearish. And this is me making a prediction on the 10-minute chart. Might take tomorrow or maybe the next 2 days. We're going to see how it's going to be the case. But yeah, this is my opinion on KVYO. So if you found any value, like the video, and I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice, and I'm just using a strategy that I've used in the last 12,500 video to perfect it in the last 3 years.